Hi everyone, Nigel Saunders here. Today I'm going to be repotting this orchid tree for the very first time. I had never heard of this species of tree until Chris Hendry gave me this little seedling last summer, and I looked it up online, and it's quite a spectacular tree. It gets these beautiful flowers on it that look like orchid flowers. It's a temperate tree, so it needs a cool period in winter, and it did lose its leaves. And I noticed for the first time it's starting to green up again. So it's beginning to get ready to grow. So I thought I would repot it for the first time, get it into bonsai soil, and have a look at the root system. Here is a look at the tree. So it's a small seedling, but you can see it's starting to green up a little bit. Up top you can see the green on it there. So it's definitely waking up from its winter slumber. And I overwintered this tree in the basement, and then when it started warming up here in the greenhouse, I moved it out to the greenhouse. And it has frozen over a couple of times in the greenhouse here, but it didn't seem to affect it at all, which is good. Before I begin repotting the orchid tree, I'll show you some pictures off the internet of orchid trees. Okay, let's get the tree out of the pot. So this tree, it was originally growing with a bunch of other seedlings, and Chris pulled it out of the seed tray, put it in this pot, and put some fresh soil around it. So it hasn't really grown much since then, so I don't think, it hasn't never been root pruned. So here I go, I'll get it out of the pot. The soil's pretty crumbly. Soil's very crumbly. Okay, so there's a look at the root system. So it's fairly one-sided, but it does have roots on the other side too. I think it's a good start. The roots are nice and fine. So I'll wash it up, and then we'll start the root pruning. Here is a look at the root system. So there's the taproot. It goes down, and then it probably hit the bottom of the seed tray and starts going sideways. So I'm going to reduce that. There's a lot of radial roots starting to form at about this level, so I'm going to take the taproot off right here. Here I go. So that is gone. And then I don't want to do too much root pruning because I don't want to lose this tree. I'm not going to take too many chances with it, but I am going to prune back these longer roots to the point where they, they're still going a good direction. Flattening out on the bottom a bit. Any that are sticking up I can prune off. Any that are going poor directions can be pruned away. Yeah, so a little skimpy on the roots on this side of the tree, but from that cut point usually you'll get a lot of roots generate coming out of the base of the tree. This is very typical for seedlings to have roots like this. So I think that's it. I can pot it up now. Get it into bonsai soil for the first time. So I need a pot, so let me look for a pot for it. I've got a pot picked out for the tree. I think that's plenty big enough for it at this stage. So I'll get some drainage screens in the pot. Some Chris Marshall drainage screens. There's one. There is 2. And I'll get a base layer of soil in the pot. In goes my base layer of soil. And I think I'm going to have to mix up some more soil. Getting pretty low on soil. I probably have enough to plant this tree. Okay, and then I'll put the tree on top here. I'm going to put it in the middle and arrange the roots, make sure they're as radial as possible and untangled. That's looking pretty good there. And then I'll start adding soil. Okay, so I'll top it up. Mound it up a little around the tree. Just hold the tree and kind of tamp the soil down. There's not a lot of roots, so there won't be any air spaces around the roots. And the front of the tree doesn't really matter at this point in time. It's just a matter of letting it grow and developing a good root system, and then the shaping of the tree can start. And slowly it should become a nice bonsai. Okay, I'll give the tree a water. All right, here I go with the water. And I'll keep this tree in the greenhouse here until the warm weather arrives in spring, which is probably still a month away. So it'll be quite happy in the greenhouse here. Okay, that's well watered. Here is a look at the tree now, so I'll spin it around. So here's the current front, coming around to the right hand side, the back, the left hand side, and back to the front. So at the moment it has a branch here and 2 branches up on the apex. So 3 branches total. We'll see how it looks as it progresses this year. This year I started a tulip tree that Isabella gave me, and now I have an orchid tree, so I have 2 trees where their common name is named after the flower that they get. So that's quite exciting. So thanks a lot, Chris Hendry, for the gift of the orchid tree. And that's all for today. I'm Nigel Saunders. Thanks for joining me in the Bonsai Zone.